In this module, we're going to go through the panning and zooming using the icons instead of the hotkeys. Up in the right-hand corner of my toolbar here, I've got a couple icons. Here's my dynamic zoom, and here's my dynamic pan. So I'll show you what we're going to do here. If I click on that pan, just pull my mouse into the view window here without clicking on any of the mouse keys. Now when I push down my left mouse key, I can just drag this thing any place that I want to. Let go, click, drag, let go, and then click and drag. So that just allows you for manipulating on the screen without using the arrow keys. And then the escape button will get me out of that. Okay, and then when I hit the escape, it turns just to a regular crosshair. Now if I go up to this dynamic zoom icon, if I click on that, now when I move my cursor into the view window here, if I click on the left mouse key and I hold it down and I pull that mouse up or down in that direction, you can see I've got a dynamic zoom going on with that. Most mice that you purchase now, though, with a laptop or with a desktop are going to have the ability to have a wheel in it, a scroll wheel. So if I just take this scroll wheel now and roll it forward, it zooms in. If I roll it backwards, it kind of zooms out. So that kind of takes the place of that dynamic zoom. So if you do have a mouse that has that scroll wheel, you're in pretty good luck. So those two icons I rarely use because I'm more using fingers on the I and the O key, and the pan keys or the arrow keys that are on the keyboard. But yet it does come in handy if you need to position that view just perfectly for a report format or anything like that. So I do use them once in a while. So go ahead and play with that, as well as the I and the O keys and the pan arrow keys, to get that view into just the right appropriate location.